Hey everybody, welcome back to Chatters DIY. Episode 8 is just going to be a little brief video, just sort of catching you up with what I've been up to. So if I pan round, you'll see that there's been some licks of paint. I had to do the first seal coat, obviously, and then since then the ceiling's had another coat. It's coming out really nicely. The main thing that I've been doing though, after the drawers, was this ceiling light panel, which is the main focus of the video. So I'll just go into a little bit more detail. I've quite simply screwed some short 6-inch battens to each point where there's a collar tie in the roof, which I'd sort of measured where they were before the plastering and everything was done. So with this one, we've got the lights wired in to the wood. Jack's just giving me a hand holding the wood up. Jack, say hello.
Hello.
The LED lights run around the blocks that I've put into the ceiling. They're self-adhesive. And I don't know whether you can see them, they come out of that hole as well. A power point just above the ceiling there. I put a letterbox draft excluder in the roof itself, which but there you can see there's an Alexa built into the panel, and then this here is a surround that I bought off Etsy from Germany, a company called Nimi Design, little plug for them. It's worked out fantastically well. It just comes in 2 halves. You cut your circle out and then you just screw the 2 halves together, and the Alexa just sits there. Alexa, turn the lights blue. So the LED strip that you could see earlier just runs around those blocks, and on a night time, obviously it's a little bit spoiled at the moment with the natural daylight coming through, but on a night time this you can adjust the brightness. Alexa, make the lights red. Obviously it just changes to whatever colour you want. Alexa, change the lights purple. You can even have it so that it sets to change to the music beat. So I could play some music now, and it, as I said, it changes colour and flashes. It turns the bloody room into a disco. Nice feature, but it's a bit much in it. Which was a little bit more than what we had bargained for when I bought the light. But it's the lights from Amazon, a company called GoV, and it looks really cool, I think. I don't know what everybody else thinks, but let me know in the comments. It's quite a simple design. It's not something that I've copied. I've come up with it, and I absolutely think it's the best thing I've done so far, to be fair, and it's relatively cheap. As for the wood, the screw holes that you can see, they'll all be covered up, and the wood is then the same that's going to be on the wardrobes. There's the doors cut for the wardrobes, and the exact same boards, the offcuts from those doors, are going to then cover the drawer fronts. And then I've also got some cladding to go across that wall, which I've now neatened up. I don't know whether you can see in this light, just neaten the line a little bit. And the painting around the bricks is really nice. So it's all really coming together now. Starting to see some almost like finishing products. Really looking forward to seeing how it's going to end up. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are already subscribed, then await the next video. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you soon. Bye.